Hi guys, in this short video tutorial, I am going to tell you that how you can easily auto delete messages on iMessages app. So that's quite simple, but before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video. Thank you. So first of all, open up the setting application. Now you'll have to scroll down until you find iMessages app. And once you have found it, click on it. Now you will have to scroll down until you find an option of keep messages like this under the message history. Now click on it. Now by default it will be selected to forever, but if you want to select it for 30 days, all your messages will be deleted after 30 days. The messages which will be older than 30 days will be automatically deleted. You can also set it to 1 year. That's your own choice. By default it will be selected to forever. So that's how you can easily auto delete messages in iMessages app. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.